Hello viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we'll continue our exploration for free options to build some AI tools, make use of LLM. So in last video, we have seen like how we can use Olama to run the LLM's large language models on our system. But at the same time, we experience that it is the size of the Olama uh, is is very it's very heavy in size, and it takes a lot of time to get installed or installed on in the system, and it requires higher CPU cycles and memory whenever we are putting any query as a context to any LLM. So there are some limitations and some machine and platform dependency. So as a next step, we should be exploring, is there any cloud API option available which is free in nature, which allow us to use different models, LLM models, without paying any penny, and we can build a small scale AI solution or just POC stuff. So that's in this direction we'll be exploring few options. So there are several options, but in this video particularly we'll see the Groq Cloud API. So many of you must have heard about this already, and few of you might not have heard it at all. So in this video, we'll just focus on what is Groq and how we can create a account on this cloud platform, and in order to use its API, what all things are needed. So we'll explore these all stuff in this video. Okay, so without wasting further time, let's quickly see what the Groq is. So Groq, again, it's a technology company, and uh, it allows us to like build AI solutions, and it also coming with different and several options of LLMs like OpenAI and Llama and few others. So, in order to use Groq Cloud, we should be creating one account on their interface, and by default, we'll get the free tier, and it don't ask us to register any credit card, and typically it allows like 30 requests per minute or overall 14,000 odd requests per day and 6,000 tokens per minute. So this is a rough um, estimate, like under the free tier, how many requests per minute per day and how many tokens per minute are permitted. So that was about the Groq, what it is, and how we can create account over there. No, no, like how we can use it by creating the account. And how to create account, we can quickly see it right here. So for that, let's quickly jump on a browser and see. Mhm. So this is the URL, um, console.groq.com. Here, if you are not logged in, let me simply log out first, and then this is the default view. So first, we can create an account. We can either use our existing um, Google account or GitHub account, or if you want, we can just simply use our email. So it will just send one link to the provided email account, and simply you can go to your yeah, inbox, and click on that link. And yes, that's it. Your account is ready. It is not asking your name, your address, any credit card, or any other thing. Simply email address. That's it. As long as you have provided that email address, it is more than enough to get logged into the Groq. So this is the landing page of Groq interface, Groq Cloud interface. And here we have plenty of things, like it is first telling like in last 30 days what is your usage metric, and you can see, and also it is giving us option to upgrade to some paid plan. So if someone wish, they can choose appropriate plan, and it's other than free plan, all other plans are paid. But our focus in this video, our focus will be on only exploring all the offerings that are coming under the free account. So let's focus on that only. Then since yeah uh, then below to it there are three tiles: playground, dogs, and manage team. We'll see what does playground offer us. And then there's the model section. So it is listed what all models are available that can be used. We can see all the popular models are listed here, and it is also giving which model is suitable for which purpose, like for reasoning, GPT, OSS 122B, text to speech. There are few options available. For vision, Llama 4 is the recommended model, and so on and so forth. Now coming to the critical part. Okay, we have logged into the Groq, and we have seen like how the dashboard is looking, and what all models are available. But the key question is how to use this. So in order to use any cloud API, we should have one cloud key generated for us. To do so, we have one link over here, API keys. Simply, it's the interface is very simple and self-explanatory. I have created one key for myself, and if I want, I can create one more, and there's no expiration, or if you want, we can set the expiration as well for that key. Let me just generate one sample key right here. Test key. Let me set the expiration to tomorrow's date. Okay, it is generating the key for me. Okay, so the key is here. We can copy and save it or keep it at a secured place. Hmm. And here we can see the key is listed here, when it got created, last use, it is not used at all, and uses in last 24 hours, no uses at all. So it was so we just have seen like how we can create um a key on Groq, and that key will be used, okay, to access the LLM models. So for now, I just created this key for testing purpose. Let me quickly delete this. It's deleted. Good. Now coming to some other menu items. Playground. Okay, so playground is an interface where we can just query to the LLM models. And what are LLM models are there? We can see over here. We can choose any suitable LLM models. So by default is OpenAI GPT. We can change it to, let's say, Meta Llama 4. Let me just give it a prompt. Submit. See, it's lightning fast. It has given us one sample Python code as well, with all prerequisite and libraries, how to install, and each and every step. And we can also see the code right here. So it's as simple, right? So yeah, that was it for this video. In the coming video, we'll see how we can use this API in a Python code, and we'll create one conversational chatbot, and also we'll design that chatbot in a way, so let's say somehow if the client is failed to connect to Groq API, it should fall back to Olama. So that way we'll try to build one conversational chatbot application, and that is for the next video. For this video, uh, we have seen in this video we have seen like the how we can log into the or create account on Grok Cloud, and how we can generate one key for us, and the playground section to see the performance of this API using Meta Llama LLM. So that was it for this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and if you like such content, please do press like button and hit the subscribe button. It motivates me a lot, and I'll try to bring more and more videos, such videos for you. With that, signing off. Thank you.